I hope this angle works. This is probably the last video I am recording without using OBS or something like that. Maybe I will do installation of Ubuntu, but that's all. Give me a sec. Okay. Okay. I wanted to, install, let's say. I will need this primarily. Okay. Why am I? It works faster here. Okay. And yes, run, please. I hope that it works. Yes. Okay, extract yourself and install. AMD chipset driver, that's the first thing. Like most people that buy AMD, even desktop PCs, they forget about it. They forget about installing chipset driver, and then they have problems. This might take, well, the tutorial said a couple of minutes. I guess I should make jokes until then. I've got nothing. Windows 11 is a joke, so, you know, it can do a lot of heavy lifting, but me? Yes, okay. Okay, GPU drivers. I don't think I'm supposed to restart every time it asks for a restart. Just let it install all 9 things. And that is all. I think. I'm not sure. If it's not, then you won't see it, so, you know. But sometimes it's important to have video like this that's not edited, you know, that you know what is happening in the middle. And you saw that there was audio drivers. Well, we heard something. I'll try some delicate game later on. What is now? Wi-Fi drivers, Bluetooth drivers, fingerprint driver. Oh, fingerprint driver. No, no bueno. No, not good. USB Ethernet driver. If I had one of those expansion cards of Ethernet, it would be great. It's something that I will think about in the future. We have 2 or 3 things that we think we might buy from Framework in the future because they would be useful, but I'm also waiting for them to perhaps prepare a new model of GPU somewhere next year, because 7700S, it's an 8 gigabyte card, and it's a 7600 non-XT, and yeah, I would prefer if they had something slightly more powerful. It can still use 100 watts but yeah, ideally something that can also, use the VRAM, for example. If 7700S was based on 7700 XT and was, let's say, 12 gigabyte card and Navi 32 version, yeah, fantastic. Even if it was, at 100 watts, stop at 100 watts, yeah, it would be much better. Okay. Okay. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. It's my first time doing anything on Windows 11. Well, that's installed. We will check if I can use the Wi-Fi. I don't know if Wi-Fi works in this room, but that's all. Yes, password is temporary, so what is it? Okay, increasing. Yes. Okay, go to like 10%. I want to check if there is something available. Okay, connection secured. Wow. And we should have internet. Stop. Stop. No. without your data. Don't allow. Christ. Chrome, 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 Chrome. No. Chrome. No, thank you. Don't be like this. Okay. Okay, okay. Now we're safe. Now we're safe. Okay. Yes, and the last thing I wanted to check on the subject of upgrades. I think I'm not sure if this is how you are doing this here. Okay, and info 32. And to check the BIOS. BIOS mode, UFS and BIOS version. BIOS version 303. So we do not need to update BIOS. Okay, that's everything. Thank you very much. Have a good day, good night, and please leave a comment, share, and subscribe and like if you can. Bye bye.